all, today I will do my science experiment or my science assignment. It's about mixing sand and water and see it can be filtered with filtering paper or no. So the first thing you need to do is pour the water inside 1 cup. The things you need is a water, a cup, a sand of course, 1 teaspoon, a funnel, and a filtering paper. So the first thing you need to do is put the water inside one of the cup only, don't put it into the 2 above the cup. So first you need to pour the water, this much. The second thing you need to do is put 2 teaspoons of sand into the water. As you can see here, it's so dark, right? In my book, it says the sand can dissolve in water. As you can see here, I will stir it. There is a lot of sand that's still left there, so it cannot. There is a lot of sand that's still in there, so it doesn't dissolve in the water perfectly. The fourth thing you need to do now is put the filtering paper inside the funnel and put it into the other cup that we don't fill with water and sand. And then you need to pour the water into the filtering paper slowly, so it doesn't break. This is the first watercolor that you see, guys. This is the water slowly pass through and into the cup. But we need to wait. It takes a lot of time to filter the water, guys. Let's stir it, guys, so it will be faster. Still taking a long time. Look, it's so very dirty, right, guys? And look, the one in the bottom is already like a little bit clear, but not as clear as the first one. It's dripping, guys, even though the paper it like blocked into the paper that fold. But it still can be true because a paper is a thin layer, guys. So I'm answering number 1 because as you can see here, the one that the sand, when we mix it, it doesn't dissolve, right? So I will answer it, no, it doesn't. Next question is, what is the residue? Wait, we need to see at the experiment first. It's like taking a lot of time. So in my book it says, what is the residue? As you can see here, the residue is like a dirt or a sand that can be filtered by the filtering paper, guys. So So this is the residue. So I will write the residue is the sand that filtered by the water, filtered by the filtering paper. And then name and describe the filtrate. The filtrate is this one, guys, the one in the bottom. As you can see here, it's not as clear as the first one that we put the water, but it's like more clear than the before when we mix it. We need a lot of filtering to make the water as clear as the one that we put in first. So name and describe the filtrate. The filtrate is the water that still have the color of brown and have a little something like that can pass the filter paper. So the filter paper is not like the holes, it's like not as small as the thing that we put up there. So the last can sand separated from water by filtration. My answer is yes, it can, because the filter paper can hold the sand, and because the water is liquid, so it can pass through the filter paper that have a little holes, so it can hold like the small things. But I think the one that pass here, so it's like the thing that pass here is like not smaller than it's smaller than the filtering paper holes. So that's all my experiment today. Hope you like it.